In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use presale code on Ticketmaster. Easiest way, 5 minutes. Presale codes can give you early access to tickets before the general public, but the process can feel confusing if you don't know where to look. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect on the page and how to apply your code correctly. First, head to the official Ticketmaster website. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your location so event dates, prices and currencies match what you need. If you already have an account, being signed in can save time once tickets become available, but the main thing is simply getting to the site before the presale opens. Next, select the event you want. Use the search bar to find the artist, team or show, then pick the correct city and date from the results. Many events display a presale label or mention the presale window in the event details, which is a good sign you're in the right place. If there are multiple dates or venues, double check you're on the one that matches your code's terms. Now select a ticket. On the event page, you'll see a seat map or a list of price levels. Don't worry if some sections look locked or grayed out yet. That's normal before you apply a presale code. Choose the area or price range you're targeting so the system knows what to look for once the code is applied. Click Find Tickets. This loads availability and prepares the page to filter by special offers. If there's a queue due to high demand, hold tight and avoid refreshing too often, as that can move you back. Look for the unlock option. It may appear near the top of the seat map above the ticket list, or as a small padlock icon. Click unlock to open the code entry box. Enter your offer passcode. Type it exactly as provided, watching for case sensitivity and avoiding extra spaces. Some codes are tied to specific pre-sales, like artist, venue, or cardholder offers, so be sure your code matches the event and date. If you see an error, double check spelling and timing and confirm the pre-sale is currently active. Click unlock again to apply it. The page will refresh and reveal the eligible pre-sale tickets. You'll see previously locked sections or special price options become available. From here, pick the seats that work for you and continue through the purchase as usual. Remember, pre-sale access doesn't guarantee availability, inventory is limited and can sell quickly, so move promptly once you see the tickets you want. And that's it. You've used a pre-sale code on Ticketmaster the easy way.